morning, guys. August 17th, 2022. This one here, I got a call from a guy. I guess he's selling his house, or selling his father's house, and the renter that's over there now has got no AC. So we're gonna go over there and find out what's going on. He shut it off. We'll go by and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. This guy's from Virginia or something like that, so calling me to see if I can fix it. So we'll see. Try to get you some shots. Change the batteries in here. I think the batteries he's vacuuming in the filter. Might be off on delay. Rip the flipping house apart to get to it. King valves. It looks like an R22 system. Maybe not. Yeah, 22. Everybody asks me how come you don't use a driver. I mean, it's not really that big of a deal. I don't like to strip out the screws. Strip out the screws, Ma. Contact is not pulled in. It might be a thermostat issue, might be off on delay. See, it's not pulled in here. Compressor's not starting. Compressor's not starting. Well, it might be a capacitor issue. Maybe. Compressor didn't start. Wow. We'll check the capacitor. Let's see where we're at here. It could be burnt wires, could be anything. What is this thing supposed to be? $35.5. So it should be a 35. We'll see if it is 35. Let's see if it's 35. Could be out of charge. Might be off on low pressure there. Microfarads. See what we're at here. Let's see. Open line. Got a bad capacitor. Watch. Open line. Got a bad capacitor there. Microfarads. We got to change that. So 35.5. Should have that in the truck. Well, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Let's see if we got a capacitor here. 35.5. We should have one here. Might have to dig deep. 50s. Alright, we got another capacitor here. We'll see what happens when we change it out. Fan was running, but okay, and then the blue was the Herm, which would be the 3-post. Got the brown, which is the fan, which is the 2-post. 1 or 2-post. Maybe the fan. And then these two, common and compressor. Common. Common. You think it's gonna start? We'll find out, won't we? Make sure it's all nice and tight. You don't want it loosey-goosey, Mama. Make sure everything's tight on there. If not, it could be an issue with it, you know, heating up. Everything wants to be tight. Alright, let's see if it starts. Let's see if it starts up, Mama. Look, it's running. Getting cold. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Kind of like doing it by hand. This way here I don't strip things out. Nice and hot on the top. Charge is going to be fine. Coming out nice and hot here. Nice and cool on the charge here. That's what it was. Bad capacitor. See if the fan side works. Fan side's 2.8, which is low, should be 5. And the compressor was dead. So the fan side was low, but the compressor side was dead. Needed a new cap. It's working fine.